Sang Nila Utama, an imaginative and adventurous king, was restless by nature and eager to travel to faraway place. He loved hunting wild animals, so when he heard that there were stag in the jungle of Tanjung Bentam, then that were difficult to hunt, he became excited to talk him great field of sheep to Tanjung Bentam. When the king arrived on the island, he and his subject embarked on a hunting expedition that lasted several hours, during which they slay many wild and save beasts, but found no stag. Disappointed, the king, leaving him with a sign of fulfillment in his heart. Suddenly a large stag darted out of the business in front of Sang Nila Utama, giving the king a shock. The king quickly threw his silver darter and ordered it at the stag, only driving the animal. The stag began to run, and the king pursued it in Tuesday. It was 8 on foot or nothing. The stag ran through the jungle and